my refrigerator out with me. Come on. We're actually cleaning up my kitchen, but he loves me bad. He can't help it. Look at him. Ain't he so precious? He is. Ooh, he got a pee on my hand. But ain't he so precious? Look at him. Like, how can you clean up with this? Like, get him. Stop. Hey, y'all, I don't eat eggs. I got 2 whole cartons of eggs for school. Like, I gotta throw them away. Y'all really think they bad? Quit, nigga. Can I give them away? How they turn to chickens? It's not putting them in the skitties, they're gonna turn into chickens, y'all. Cause look. I don't wanna throw them away. But they expired. And one of them say 23. Let me make sure. I don't wanna see nasty. No, they won't say June 24. And this one is July 24. But they still bad. But they ain't that nasty. I ain't that nasty. But they might be chickens by now. So y'all, I got the refrigerator about cleaned out. I gotta throw this out. Cause I ain't fried nothing in 30 months. So, y'all know what it means, don't it? Trash.